Dave Knows How.
Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm over here at my brother's house, and a lot of you guys know my brother passed away about 2 years ago. He was diagnosed with cancer, and he didn't, unfortunately, he didn't live for very long. It kind of took him away kind of quick. I think it was like 8 or 12 weeks he lived. And so, you know, that's how this whole beard thing came about. He passed away in July, and in November, I seen a thing on Facebook that talked about No Shave November for cancer awareness. And I think it was more in line with for men that had prostate cancer. But I went on and I didn't shave in memory of my brother. And so November came and went, and December came and went, and I didn't shave. And in January, my mother took ill, and I was with her while she was in intensive care, and I came home one night to take a shower and had some medical problems. I went back to see her at the hospital and then had some more medical problems, ended up in the emergency room, and then I was diagnosed with cancer. Fortunately for me, I've been blessed and lucky that hopefully they've caught this thing in time, and I'm going to be okay. You know, who knows? We don't ever know about this cancer thing. You know, it's here one minute, it's gone the next, and it's back again. So we're kind of at its mercy. But anyway, that's how the beard came into effect, and I haven't shaved since. Now it's been about a year and a half since I shaved, so maybe a little more than a year and a half. Anyway, we're on my brother's driveway, and as you can see, we got a lot of rock on the side of the driveway over here, where it's kind of getting pushed this way, because the driveway comes in and it doesn't curve hard, but it's got a slight curve to it. So when people come in, they naturally stir this way. And so we've got an abundance of gravel over here on the side. It's got grass growing up, and they don't even drive over here. So we're going to try to pull some of this gravel back to the middle and just try to dress up the driveway a little bit with the gravel that we have. And my brother's wife, she'll probably end up having to put some gravel on this driveway, but since my brother passed away, she's having a lot of financial problems, and so you know, we'll try to help her out the best we can to see if we can get this thing back in as good a shape as we can get it in with the gravel that's here. So let's take a drive down and see what it looks like. All right. Is it perfect? No, it's not perfect, but it's a lot better than what it was. There was a lot of big rock in this driveway, and you know, I gotta wonder, has this driveway had any rock put on it since this house was built? Because this is basically, this is more likely what they put down here when the house was built, was this big riprap like rock, you know, to give it a base. And anyway, we pulled a lot of that up out of there when we came down through with the road blade, but it is what it is. It can either be picked up or just leave it and it'll get mashed down in there probably over time. Put some of this over there in that blue spot on that side of the driveway. And that'll help firm that up, you know, if any water runs down, keep it from washing out. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. It's starting to rain, and we hit this driveway just in time because it had rained yesterday, and you get a lot better job if your driveway is a little bit damp. It helps the dirt that's in there act more as a bonding agent to do what you need to do and get a better finished product. But overall, I think it looks real nice. So we're going to get everything loaded up, head back to the house.
Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.